Who told you that without having like this? Who told you? Who told you that you can join the class and become a software developer in 3 months or 6 months? Or who is telling you that come and join my class or come and subscribe or come and learn from my online class? I'll teach you how to become a software developer. If you don't have the basic, if you don't have the foundation of programming language, you can't become a software developer. If you don't have the zeal to become it, you can't. But here at NonnyPlus, I want to tell you that yes, I'll teach you the basic, I'll teach you the foundation of becoming a software developer in 3 months or in 6 months. So after that, you can go ahead to develop yourself on becoming a software developer. So here at NonnyPlus, I'm going to be guiding you, I'll teach you, I'll guide you, I'll develop you the basic, the foundation. So there are some things you need to learn before you go into software development. Do you know if anything back end and the front end? No, you don't know. I'll teach you all those things. I'll teach you classes. I'll teach you data type. I'll teach you reference type. I'll teach you the foundation. I'll teach you so you can understand and become a software developer. So if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please go to YouTube, click on NonnyPlus, subscribe to my channel. I have like 1 videos that I've uploaded. Make sure you go through all those videos. Then I have the 2 videos that I'm still uploading. And if you are in Facebook, go to my Facebook page, subscribe to NonnyPlus. I will be teaching you the basic, the foundation of a programming language called C#. And from there, you can develop yourself to become a certified backend developer using C# and programming language. Don't wait for your friends to tell you to start. Within yourself, you know you can do it. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next one.